Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to find S2 member and we're going to go ahead and download it to our hard drive. So in order to do that, you'll just need to go to a search engine like Google and then just type in S2 member and then plug in and then click enter. You should see at the top of the search results or very close a line that says S2 member, a powerful free membership plugin for WordPress. You want to go ahead and click that link. What you're going to notice then is that it has several layers to the website. What you want to do is you want to find the framework, 100% free of charge. Now, obviously, you can upgrade to the pro version or the unlimited site license, but for this particular case, we're just going to go ahead and download the framework. They're going to ask you for your name and email address, so you're going to want to go ahead and put that in. S2 member is going to ask you for a primary domain, so you want to go ahead and put that in. Okay, once you do that, then S2 member is going to ask you to log in, so you want to use your login credentials there. And you'll type in the username or password. Once you've typed in, you want to click login. And then S2 member is going to give you access to the latest edition, and all you'll want to do is you'll want to download that to your hard drive. And once you download S2 member, you are now ready to use it in your WordPress installation. Now there's one other way for you to get the S2 member program, and that's from inside of WordPress, and I'll show you that right now. Once you have logged into your WordPress installation, you are going to go to the plugins area and click add new. When you get there, you're going to search plugins and you're going to write in S2 member. And then you'll just go to this area to find the plugin. And you'll want to write it so that it is all one word. And then you'll see it right there. You can check out the details. And it's just as if you'll be on the site. And actually, once you're here, you can actually go to the next step and go ahead and install it. Now, that is what we'll be doing in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.